In our business, great feedback is the best reward. We work hard to make sure everyone has a first-class experience with us. And we appreciate the recognition when someone takes the time to send an online review like this one. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top-quality service. We work one-on-one with every individual to ensure we meet their expectations. Complete satisfaction is extremely important to our company. Everyone we serve was new at one time, so we're always excited to speak with anyone, whether they're new or returning. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can contact us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.